Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change YouTube channel name. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to change YouTube channel name. So let's get started. So guys, to change YouTube channel name, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now type in search by YouTube and simply press enter. Now simply click on first link. So guys, to change YouTube channel name, you can see account option at the top right corner of the page. So simply click on account option. In account, you can see the option of your channel. So click on your channel. So guys, in your channel, you can see two options, customize channel or manage videos. So here you have to simply click on customize channel. So guys, this is our main page that we need to change YouTube channel name. So guys, here you can see three options, layout, branding and basic info. So you have to simply click on basic info. Now in basic info, you can see the option of name, handle, description and many more. So here we need name. So simply click on name. So before change the name, please read this carefully. Choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google services. So simply change name. So I'm going to type this name. Now simply click on publish. So guys, here you can see your name is changed. So now simply change the handle also. So guys, this is our YouTube handle, and after that simply again click on publish. Now click on account option, and here you can see before here it is written trendy startups. Now here it is written this name Harry Cow. So guys, here you can see we have changed YouTube channel name. So you can also change YouTube channel name by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.